Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will guide you through the process of verifying your Introducing Broker account on your Windows PC. To begin, visit our website and click the Partner button to access your account. Then, select Partner Login. Enter your IB login credentials. Remember, the password was sent to your email when you registered your IB account. After entering your details, click Login. Now, you'll see a menu with 3 steps for completing your KYC registration. Let's begin with Step 1, SMS Verification. First, choose your country and enter your phone number. Complete the CAPTCHA verification and click Send to receive the SMS authentication code. Once you receive the authentication code via SMS, enter it and click Verify. You have successfully completed Step 1. Now, you will see the menu for Step 2, Customer Information Registration. Choose your registration type, either individual registration or corporate registration. In this example, we will demonstrate individual registration. Select your gender and enter your date of birth. Then, fill in your address details. Next, you'll need to confirm your IB activity method. If you have previous experience as an IB with other Forex platforms, select Yes. If not, choose No. And fill out the relevant details. Read the disclaimer carefully, then click Confirm. Review all the information you've entered to ensure it's accurate. When everything looks correct, click Send. Now it's time for Step 3, Submission of KYC Documents. Start by uploading your Proof of Identity documents, followed by your Proof of Address documents. Once you've uploaded both, click Upload Documents. Congratulations! Your IB verification is now complete. Our IS6FX team will review your document within 24 hours. Please note that you will be able to use the partner functions and conduct promotions once the identity verification process is completed. Remember to log in to the partner page to check your verification status. Thank you for choosing IS6FX Partner. We wish you success.